Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to cancel order on Depop. Guys, first visit your official website and open the app, your mobile device, and log into your account using username and password and the log navigator to your profile. And you can typically find this tapping on your profile picture username and the log section labeled purchase order, and this is why you can view all your recent purchases and scroll through your list purchase on order and locate specific order then you want to cancel. And if you have found order, it should be option cancel. This option and may be labeled differently depending the platform, but usually something like cancel order and request cancellations, and some platform ask you process the reason why to canceling, and from provided option enter explanations and required after selecting cancellation option, providing any necessary information and confirm your cancellation request and need confirm more time and sure you want to process the cancellation and submitting request and should receive a confirmation message indicating the cancellation request and has been received being processed already made payment order and check receive refund and typically take a few days to depending your payment method and platform policy. Found this video helpful, like share this video.